Please welcome contestant number 1 from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia to sing.
On the Wings of Love.
Oh! May ganon! To sing On the Wings of Love, please welcome Augie and the Cockroach. Regine Tolentino. Okay na yun, ha?
Acapella, ha? Acapella.
5, 4.
Yes, you belong to me.
Ang ginap dito. Tumatingkod pa siya. Yes, you belong. Ano ba sila, Mr. Pogi? Nagulat kayo, no kami rin eh. Okay, thank you po. Okay, dito ka muna. Shh, kuya, dito ka muna. Shh, okay. Now, contestant number 2 to sing.
This is my love.
Ah!
Si Jordan.
Okay, yun na yun. To sing, this is my love. Let's welcome contestant number 2.
Okay. This is my love, 'cause I'm breathing in the moment, 'cause I look around, I can't believe the love I see. Okay.
Pakipatayan niya ng mic. Sabi ko, konti lang para ginandahan naman. Okay, syempre, magpapatalo ba contestant number 3? Casey Taldina! Walang pipit-bingi, katay mo. Kaya, anak. Ito. Baliling? Baliling daw mo yan, patay yung baliling. Palagi. Oh, Casey. Breathless ni Casey.
Go on, leave me breathless, come on.
Ay, oh. Binawi tayo sa come on. Okay, come on. Okay, now.